Wicca is more than a nature-based belief system. It's a way of living in harmony with the rhythms of the earth, the cycles of the moon, and the sacred energies that surround us and live within us. At the heart of Wicca lies something ancient, powerful, and often misunderstood: magic. To a Wiccan, magic isn't fantasy or fiction. It's not about waving wands and casting dramatic spells. Instead, it's a sacred, intentional practice, one that helps us grow, heal, manifest change, and reconnect with the divine. In Wicca, magic is a spiritual path, a form of prayer in motion, a way of co-creating with the universe. Wicca embraces magic as one of its foundational elements. This isn't unusual. Many world religions intertwine with magical practices, though often hidden beneath layers of ritual and symbolism. But in Wicca, this connection is open, celebrated, and deeply personal. Magic in Wicca is a religious act, a way to deepen our relationship with the goddess and God, and to honor the sacred power that flows through all things. When we perform rituals, speak invocations, or craft spells, we are engaging in a sacred dialogue with these divine forces. Through magic, we don't just ask for change, we participate in it. We become co-creators of our reality. Magic is the art of channeling and directing energy to bring about transformation. It's not supernatural, it's natural. A subtle force that flows through everything: the wind, the moonlight, the stones beneath our feet, the breath in our lungs. It's an ancient practice rooted in intuition, observation, and intention. There are three main sources of magical energy in Wicca. Personal power is your inner flame, the life force that animates your body and soul. It's the energy you absorb from food, sunlight, movement, and emotion. Every breath you take, every beat of your heart carries this power. In magic, this energy is awakened, focused with intention, and released toward a desired goal. Whether you're lighting a candle or dancing under the moon, you are using your personal power to co-create with the universe. The earth itself is alive with energy. Trees, stones, rivers, fire, herbs, and crystals all contain unique vibrations. These natural elements become tools in ritual, used to enhance, support, and focus magical work. A Wiccan may place a quartz crystal on the body for healing or burn sage to cleanse energy. Each act is a sacred partnership with the earth and a reminder that magic is all around us. Divine power is the source of all, the raw, sacred energy of the goddess and God, the cosmic spark that gives life to everything. When Wiccans invoke the divine, they are calling on the purest form of power, blessing their rituals with wisdom, love, and intention. Personal and earth energies are reflections of this divine force, and through magic, we align ourselves with it. Imagine this: you've received an unexpected bill, 100 due, and no money in sight. Instead of spiraling into fear, you turn to magic. You gather your tools: green candles, patchouli oil, cinnamon and sage, parchment paper, and green ink. At your altar, you light candles to honor the god and goddess. You draw a symbolic image of the bill, mark it with control symbols, and visualize abundance flowing into your life. You anoint your candle with oil, sprinkle herbs, and speak your intention with confidence. You see the bill paid. You feel the relief and gratitude. As the candle burns, you release your energy into the universe. And in the coming days, money arrives, help comes, the path opens. This isn't superstition. This is focus. This is energy. This is magic. Contrary to what many believe, magic is not mysterious hocus pocus. It is a natural force, just one not fully understood by modern science. Consider how magnetism or hypnosis were once considered mystical. Now they're studied and accepted. Magic works in much the same way. It operates on subtle laws of energy and consciousness, laws we're only beginning to explore. But just because science hasn't yet measured it, doesn't mean it isn't real. In fact, many magical tools, herbs, sound, light, vibration, intention, are beginning to be studied for their real-world effects on health and well-being. Magic doesn't follow a strict formula. There are thousands of magical systems, even within Wicca itself. Some rituals are elaborate and ceremonial. Others are as simple as lighting a candle and speaking your truth. You might work with crystals and herbs, colors and symbols, chants, music and movement, trance, meditation and visualization, or the phases of the moon. Whatever your path, the key is to trust your intuition. If certain gestures, words, or actions come to you naturally, use them. The most powerful magic is always personal. Wiccan magic is rooted in love, respect, and the desire to heal and uplift. It's never used to harm, manipulate, or control others. Instead, Wiccans use magic to heal emotional or physical wounds, find clarity and insight, manifest abundance and opportunity, protect themselves or loved ones, and bless the earth and restore balance. When you cast a spell, you are saying, "I believe I can shape my life. I believe I am connected to something greater. I believe I am powerful." And that belief alone, fueled by love, guided by the divine, can move mountains. If you feel the spark of magic inside you, don't ignore it. Follow it. Start small. Light a candle. Speak your desire out loud. Stand under the moon and whisper your hopes to the night. Keep a journal. Learn the language of the stars, the plants, the stones. Call upon the goddess and God. Ask for guidance. Ask to be shown the way. Trust that you are already magical, because you are. The path of magic is not about perfection. It's about presence. It's about living with intention, wonder, and deep connection. The universe is waiting for you to remember what you've always known. You are powerful. You are sacred. You are magic. Thank you for watching and sharing your magic with us.